right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna roll over. I promise you won't fall off the table, okay? Just trying to let the hips relax. Good.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Just a bit. Let that hip relax. We're gonna roll over. Right there. Good. You're gonna feel a bit of a gap here and a gap in the knee. There we go. You named it. There we go. Good. All right. She's like, time out.
It's okay. You can cry.
All right.